I will get at least my this thing will be covered up.
तर ते सुद्धा धबधबा आपण शुअर सांगू शकणार
No,
नाही.
no,
हे डायरेक्ट
See, government is doing. See, government is coming up with something, some policy basically to take care, basically interest of the taxi. Don't think that a government is against the taxi. Government want to smoothen that process how they function. See, if you go to see on this what is Instagram, Facebook, and all, people go here with some bad taste and then they put this thing. There are some people who say that we'll never return back to Goa, and we will tell other of our friends not to travel to Goa. Because of one rotten apple, the full thing of the taxi fellows, the thing is come to a question. See, I am there to support you. I don't want to see that you all are in loss in any way. But I have told you certain issues are there. Try to address those issues. If those issues are addressed, I am telling you, you will never die of prison. Seriously. I am there with you.
आम्ही आमचं किती प्रॉब्लेम
No, you can come.
काय सर बरोबर आहे.
अरे देखो नको सांगले नाही हानू. I am there with you all. No, what I am trying to say, you were to ask basically a government a minimum guarantee that this is the thing how much we must get. You see, if you get the guarantee from the government, then the district matter will go forward. I am there with you all. I am not saying I am not there with you all, but I have certain concerns and certain issues which I have got. I have just explained to you because I feel all this rent a car and rent a bike is creating a nuisance. Today, most of the accidents basically people are dying is because of the rent a bike and rent a car. Who are creating accidents? And then no one seems to be talking. I am there with you. Okay. First of all, what is when government is given 1 month's time. Government will hear your grievances. Okay. Then you come to. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. See, I am not negative. I am. But I will call Suraj in front of you. No. I will call Suraj in front of you. You were out of state. Okay, sir. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Trying to find a process basically, way to smoothen and to streamline the full taxi business part of it. But the same time, I told these people, see that the basic guarantee. So now their apprehension is what we may not get business. So let the government or let whoever the department explain to them what is the pros and cons of it. Let them, government is going to hear them, and government is basically to reply to their queries. It's very simple.
रेंट बाईक बी आसा दे आर मेकिंग द
तुका दिसना तू म्हाका सांगले तू प्रेस तुम्ही सगळे आखे गोंया भोंवता मरे डोंट यू फील सो दैट इज दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम एट लीस्ट आई फील दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम right left center you see all this rent a bike and rent a car you go and see on Pato now I will take you 90% of the basically which of the parking bay is been taken by these people they have got to basically identify and show them the place where they are going to park the bike. What is the department doing? It is the important this thing of the department. It is the failure of the department, basically transport department to this thing. The director basically should take care of this first.
तर तुम्ही रिक्वेस्ट करतले कारण खूप झाला
इतके वर्ष टॅक्सीचा इश्यू हा पळय किती वर्षात चालू झाले एक नव येत असता
टॅक्सीचो इश्यू म्हणटा ते बसून सॉर्ट आउट करूंक इश्यू इट इज नॉट बरोबर आमदार मोदें पडलो आपूण तुका फोर्स दिता हें करून मागीर फाटल्यान करता जायत्या जाणांनी केलेले आहा थंय तांकां फुल ऑफ तूं फुडें सोड मागीर एक फाटी गव्हर्मेंट टेक्स अ हार्ड स्टँड मागीर आपूण फाटीं सरता. If you are fighting for someone, fight directly and see that it reaches its logical conclusion.
तुम्ही तो रेंट कॅबाचो कॅबिनेट इश्यू काढलेलो म्हणतात तरी देखून
I have raised this issue and after raising the issue basically they stopped issuing the licenses to the fresh license. But what I had said even last time, I said let us stop this in total rent a bike and rent a car. Now mostly in the coastal belts, you just go and see, you investigate. One fellow, I have got one taxi. Let us say, I have got one taxi. I have got 15 cars to rent a car. I have got 50 bikes. So what I do, I drive my taxi. I go around. I give one ride. I make, and I come and surround and drink beer at home in the afternoon time. Because after that I don't work. because my other business is running, no? So these people who have got one taxi and who have got two taxis, those are the people who are suffering because of them. My issue is there. So address that issue. That issue should be addressed first. See, today most of the accidents you all have covered, you all are covering. Most of the accidents basically are happening because the rent of bike and rent car. They go through that app and all find the road. Sometimes there is no road only. Sometimes the Google also basically doesn't give proper direction.
Correct.
And middle only they start taking. Now you just tell me, one a family comes to Goa. You must be seeing them. They go by bike, husband, wife, two children and 3 children. Who stops them? Police. Who benefits?
पोलीस.
Simple as it.
ऍप ऍग्रिगेटर आसा पळय तेंचे तेजी रोको दिता. सो वॉट यू लायक टू
See, I want people basically to have an open mind. First of all, you need to understand what is this aggregation. And that's the reason I'm saying if they give them a fixed guarantee. Baba, if I'm telling you if I have taken a loan and all the thing, I am worried that I must pay my installments in time. If my installments and all those things have been taken care of, then I have got nothing to worry about. People are worried because of their installments and all. Banks, the moment you want to installment, you fail, bank comes to lift your car. So I look at it in different this thing. But most important thing is what the transport department should look back again to visit their rent a bike, rent a car. Go on the bus stop. I have challenged them. Go on the bus stop now, right now. 90% of the parking area has been covered by them. Yes. They basically, while taking a license, they must identify where they are going to park the thing, not on the road. So government should take care of that.